How to transfer USDT from Gate.io to Binance. So first we will open up our Binance app, and here we will click on wallets in the bottom right corner. Now we will go into the spot wallet. So at the top we will click on spot, and we wanna select add funds. Now here we will choose on-chain deposit, and you wanna search for USDT. You have to choose a network. Now make sure you know which network you're choosing. So just choose Polygon POS, and it's gonna give me the address. So just click on the paper here next to it, so I copy it. So once you have copied the address, we will go into Gate.io. So just open it up like this. And here, if you are not logged in, you will obviously log in, and we will go into assets in the bottom right corner. Here, this time we will choose, make sure you are on the spot wallet as well. So at the top, choose spot, and we will click on withdraw. Now again, search for USDT, find it and select it, and we will click on on-chain withdrawal. So here, what we want to do is paste the address. So I'll just press and paste. Allow paste, so I'll paste it like that. And for the network, make sure you select the same one which you selected on the previous screen. So here you will see Polygon. Just click on Polygon, and you want to type the amount which we want to withdraw. So for example, 1. And once you have typed out the amount, you will click on withdraw in the bottom right corner, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.